Have a look at what just rocked up in my driveway, sir. Holy moly, in motion. It's finally here, baby. It's finally here. I cannot believe this. Okay, sorry. We're gonna get my son's reaction. And it's alright. It's here.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so let's unbox this bad boy. Wow. Wow. Holy moly. So this is the actual retail box. That's actually nice. That's nice. So we have ultra long range and thrilling speed. What else does it say? Stylish, adjustable side lights, hi-fi, Bluetooth speaker, intelligent touch display, adaptive headlight. Wow. Okay. Strand cable. Much appreciated. Paperwork. Standard charger. 3.3. Yeah, that's pretty slow. What it is, I think one of the first things you need to buy for this is the actual fast charger. I'm ready to come have a look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't tell you the level of excitement. It looks beautiful. And Hamid giggling like a little schoolgirl. He's so excited. Right? Holy moly. Wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Are we ready for the unveiling of this bad boy? Let's bring this closer a minute. Shaboom. It is so beautiful. I mean, just to see this, I can understand from all the reviews that I've heard that really this thing feels so long and sleek. And wow, it's just super high quality. Oh my God. god, everything feels so high quality about this thing. Amazing. Wow. So let's do this. Whoa!
Please activate your vehicle.
Alright, we're gonna have to activate the vehicle. So I'm actually...
Please activate your vehicle.
We will active our vehicle because our...
Please activate your vehicle.
Yes, we will active. So I'm gonna
Please
have to
activate
pause
your
here
vehicle.
because I don't actually have...
Please activate your vehicle.
I don't actually... I'm recording on my phone. So I need the app. Okay, so we have active our vehicle. Comes with... Wow. Comes with 41% charge. And... Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, whoa. Oh, it's still in transport? No, it's balancing. It wasn't put in transport mode? Oh no, sorry, you activate it, so wow. Headlights are bright as... That display is absolutely gorgeous. It is so beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, so there's not really much left to do. Unbox this bad boy, so we're gonna jump outside and do our first impressions of this. Oh, so excited. Such a weighty, beautiful wheel. Everything feels so high quality on this thing.